Hello, good afternoon, viewers. Happy weekend from Edu Trust Consult. My name is Oyekan Basi, your host. I work with Edu Trust Consult, where we try to facilitate and support people and serve as agents in assisting people travel abroad. We are limited company. Is Edu Trust Consult Limited. So you can consult us because we are open to public scrutiny and all of those things. So you may travel for various purposes such as education, health, religion, even tourists, and so on and so forth. But if you want to actually travel for education, we specialize in that and others, but we basically based on education. So you consult us, a trial will definitely convince you. My personal number is 0704067800689. 07040780689. So as I usually do, I will solve this mathematics just like a giveaway for you. So let's just go and solve this maths. Now the math said if the perimeter of a rectangle property is 46 meters, and the area of the property is 76 square meters, what is the length of each of the shorter side? What is the length of each of the shorter side? Usually the question I used to associate shape is perimeter and area. Students usually mistake these two things, usually intertwine these two things, but they are absolutely different. So let's go ahead and look at the area. Area, let's take a pitch for instance. A pitch could basically demonstrate all of those things for us. Now, area is the 11 players and the ref playing. They are covering the area, they are playing with the area. But the linesman is running on the perimeter. So the line drawn basically is the perimeter. So, but the area is the place that the line covered itself. The area is the place that the line covered itself. So that is the difference between area and perimeter. So now let's just go ahead and work this thing. The Gmath is asking us that if the perimeter of a rectangle property is 46 meters and the area of the property is 76 square meter, what is the length of each of the shorter side? Now they're asking us length of each of the shorter side. Now here we have length, we have breadth. We're asking us each of, but listen, this math, it's simple and it can also be confusing. They've given us the area. Let's take the area. What is the area of a rectangle? Area is length times breadth. Now we want to take this option, among this option, but they said is the shorter side that is. They said what is the length of the shorter side, and the shorter side is definitely breadth. So I want to take this option. I cannot take 23. 23 is too high because I need something that is bigger. You see, I want to get an answer such that that thing is the shorter side. Let me write short, that I'm looking for long. Now I want something that, the reason why to option 23 to 18 now I cannot go, I will show you now. I want something that must be greater than the length. The length must be greater than, because let's say at least area was equals to 2 length, that is 2 times length times breadth. So the length must always be longer than the breadth. So that is what we are talking about. So the longer side and the shorter side. So this answer here now, I cannot assume that 23 option E will be an answer because the area is 76, and then I want what I will times that will be higher than an option here. So let's take area is 76. Let's take that 23. Let's say I use length times 23. Now this one is times in here. You can divide both sides by 23. Divide both sides by 23. So if I divide both sides by 23, so this one cuts this. Now if we divide this one by 23, let's say, how many can we see here? Please, could you help me divide this? Okay, let's say this divided by this. 76 divided by 23. Okay. Okay, let's take like option 4. Let's see this one's basically 76 divided by 23. How many this can we see this? 46 plus 23. 46 plus 23, 96. So definitely we see that it goes in 3 or at least 4 or at most 4. It goes in 3 or at most 4, but we are looking for something bigger than even the 23, because that is the concept. The length must be bigger than the breadth. So if we take 23, it's absolutely wrong. So you may want to consider things like 4. You want to consider things like 4. Now let's go and look at 4. Let's go ahead and look at 4. Let's go ahead and look at 4. 4 would definitely be the right answer for this, because 76 equals to length times 4. This one will switch for the answer. Now 4, now length, what is this one doing here? It's time to come here and divide 4. So when we divide, how many this can we see in this? You can see 1 in 36. In 36, think 36. What divided by 36? 4 plus 6. 6. I think we can see something like 9. So 76. 4 divided by 76 divided by 4, we can see 9. So we have the length equals to 19. Now you can see that without being told, this looked like the answer. How did I know? Because 76 equals to 19 as the length times 4, which give us 76. Now length will definitely be longer than breadth. So this is definitely the answer. Thank you. That is what I have. Please do subscribe to my channel, and God bless. I'll be coming up with more of such video. Thanks.